Hi guys, as you can see here, I have the ZB2L3. It's a discharger module, and then I put the this one, the op-amp circuit for constant current discharge, and then I hook that up here. Instead I use the resistor, like fixed resistor. I used this op-amp, but I'm gonna change this later. So right now I'm gonna show to you how it works. So you can use this potentiometer here to adjust the current here. So right now I'm gonna put to discharge. So I'm gonna discharge this at 3 volts, and then I'm gonna press OK. So now it discharged at almost 1 amp. And here you adjust here the amps, so you're gonna press the OK first until it hits the amp is the A, and then you can adjust it. So maybe 500 milliamps. Press it again, and then I can adjust it again. There you go, it's 500 milliamps discharge. So you can see, guys. And there you go. So it discharge at 500 milliamps now. So every time it change the voltage here, the current stay 500 milliamps. So for sure this will be more accurate now than before. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. I'm gonna make another video, and then I'm gonna put everything here, this constant current for discharge. Alright guys, thank you so much. And then this is my 2500 watts discharger too. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye bye, peace.